Hi, fourth grade, it's Miss Quigley. I'm going to be doing a video for you guys just to kind of cover and review our method that we did today on Zoom. So on my board here, okay, you can see the objectives. Students will subtract mixed number fractions by renaming them, okay? So remember last week, you guys subtracted fractions by borrowing and regrouping. This week, we're going to be working on a different method where you take the mixed numbers and you just rename them as improper fractions rather than borrowing and regrouping, okay? So these will be the two main methods that we use for this unit, okay? We're going to go ahead and get started. Actually, you know what? Let me use purple instead of green. All right, so number one, oh yeah, that's good. We have 5 1/4. Looking at my notes here, 5 1/4 minus 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Okay. So just to review with you a little bit, remember that when you rename a mixed number fraction, you're going to multiply and then add. So I'm going to talk through this and then do it. Okay. So 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21, so it'd be 21/4, okay? And then here, same method, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3, okay? 8 plus 3 is 11, so it'd be 11/4, okay? So just talk that out. I'm gonna write it now, okay? By the way, you guys can kind of pause, rewind, fast forward through parts of this if you need to. All right, so here we have this method. Actually, let me move my little stand a little closer so I don't have to lean it forward too much. Okay, so here, okay, we have 20, okay, plus 1 is 21. So this new fraction, instead of 5 1/4, it's rewritten as 21/4. Okay, I did the little step right here for you. Okay, this fraction, 2 3/4, is rewritten as 11/4. I did the little step right here. Okay, 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, and so from here, because the denominator is the same, it remains the same in the answer. Okay, so 21 minus 11 is 10. So the answer would be 10/4. Okay, I'll write that now. Okay, and again, you guys can stop, rewind as you need to. Okay, so there's your answer, 10/4. Okay, I'll do one, maybe two more examples. Also, okay, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit, you can reduce some of these answers. So for example, 10/4 can be reduced because 2 can divide into 10. 2 can also divide into 4, but I'll let you guys figure that out. That is not my main concern right now. Okay, I'm going to switch colors. Use pink. I haven't used this pink in a while, so I hope it turns out well and clear. All right, let's do, let's do this one. Okay, so number 2. Oh yeah, it turns out really nice. So we have 4 5/8. Okay, minus 1 7/8. Okay. So I'll show you here, okay? See the problem number 2, okay? 4 5/8 minus 1 7/8, okay? I'm gonna talk this out and then I'm gonna do it, okay? So remember, when you rewrite a mixed number in an improper fraction, you're using multiplication and then addition, okay? So 4 times 8, let's count, 8, 16, 24, 32, okay? So 32 plus the extra 5, okay, 32 plus 5 is 37, okay? So it would be 37 over 8. Again, I will write all this out. I'm just talking it out for those of you that works for you. Okay, this one here, okay, 1 times 8, that's easy. 8, okay, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, so it would be 15 over 8, okay? So just talked it out. I will write it out for you now, okay? So 4 times 8, okay, is 32. Okay, and then we have to add the extra 5, which is 37 over 8, okay? Now, 8 times 1 is 8. I'm gonna add the extra 7, which is 15 over 8, okay? All right. Okay, so see here, we have 37 over 8 minus 15 over 8, okay? If you can't do the mental math of 37 minus 15, that's no problem. You can write just those numbers over here off to the side, which I will do for you now. Good news is though that the denominator stays the same. Okay, so I'm going to talk this out with you. Okay, so 37 minus 15, we're going to start obviously with the ones place. So 7 minus 5, as you all know, is 2. Okay, 3 minus 1, simple, as you know, is 2 as well. Okay, so that part is 22. Numerator is 22. Denominator obviously stays the same as 8. Okay, so you can see here. Okay. Again, if you can't do the mental math of 37 minus 15, no big deal. Just rewrite it over here, just this one section. Okay, my answer for that little step was 22. So I put that here in my answer, 22 over 8. And I'll box this, just like I boxed that one over there, okay? So, that is that, okay? All right, so I'm gonna leave it at 2 examples, mostly because I ran out of space on my whiteboard, but if you guys want, you can go back, rewind, pause, rewatch this video if you need to. Just remember that you're renaming it, so you're using multiplication and addition, okay? That's really the hardest part. Honestly, my personal humble opinion is once you get the hang of this, I think you're gonna like this better than the borrowing and regrouping, but we like to do different methods to see what you guys like best. I'm rambling a little bit, so I'm gonna cap this off. I will see you guys later. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, okay? Thanks, bye.